Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 5 Soil, Rocks and Minerals. Video Part 2. Question number 21. A scientist who studies rocks is known as the who study about rocks and earth, those are known as geologist. The 21st answer will be your option C. Geologists are those who study about animals. Okay. Question number 22. Rocks formed as a result of the transformation of an existing rock due to the heat and pressure are. Due to the heat and pressure means they take very long time. So those are your metamorphic rock. Actually, what is happening in the rock cycle? First, there is the volcanic eruption. After volcanic eruption, magma comes out and it becomes lava. When it cools down, after cooling down these lava, they form the igneous rock. And due to the weather condition, due to the air and water, the rocks are just breaking into small particles and can be settled down in some other places due to the weathering and the lithification. So when after some time they are compressed due to the high temperature and pressure, these rocks are known as sedimentary rock. Okay, and these sedimentary rock when just comes under very high pressure and temperature after millions of years, they convert into metamorphic rock. Okay, so this is the rock cycle. The result of the transformation of the existing rock due to the heat and pressure. Heat and pressure, this is your metamorphic rock. The 22nd answer will be option C. Question number 23. Which among the following is fossil fuel? So iron. Iron is the metallic mineral. Aluminium metallic mineral. Coal is non-metallic and it is your fossil fuel. It is found in very beneath the soil. This is your copper metallic mineral. Answer will be C. 23rd answer is option C. Question number 24. A sedimentary rock which is used in making bricks and cement. So bricks and cement, shale is used. Shale rock is used. The 24th answer will be your option B. Question number 25. When magma cools slowly under the ground, it forms the igneous rock, and that type of igneous rock is known as granite. The 20th answer will be option A. Question number 26. This mineral is used to produce nuclear energy. Limestone, it is a rock. Iron, metallic rock. Uranium is used to produce nuclear energy. Gold is the metallic mineral also. The 26th answer will be your option C. Uranium is also used in the nuclear power plant. Okay. Question number 27. Which among the following is not a product obtained from petroleum? So plastic is the product obtained from petroleum, candle is the product, paint is the product, but pumice stone is your igneous rock. Okay, so 27th answer is option C. Question number 28. Which among the following is gemstone? So sapphire, yes, white sapphire, this is the gemstone. Topaz, it is also a gemstone. Steel is not a gemstone. It is the iron alloy. Answer will be your both A and B. 28th answer is option B. Question number 29. Sulfates are used as. So sulfates are mainly used as the fertilizer. They increase the uh, fertility of the soil. So 29th answer will be option B. Question number 30. Which among the following is metallic mineral? Gold, metallic mineral, silver, metallic mineral, aluminium, metallic mineral, to all of them. About the answer. 30 answer is D. Question number 31. Rocks formed when molten rock cools down and solidifies. So just cools down. So when molten rocks cool down, it is your igneous rock. Option B. 31 answer is option B. Question number 32. Which among the following is correct? Marble is formed from limestone. You can see, yes, marble is formed. This is your marble. It just comes under very high pressure and it comes from limestone. 32 answer is option A. Copper is non-metallic mineral. No. Magnetite cannot attract iron. Magnetite is the iron ore, so it will attract iron. Okay. Gypsum is the metallic mineral. No, it is a non-metallic mineral. So 32 answer will be option A only. Question number 33. A metamorphic rock which is used in glass and ceramic industry are. So marble, quartzite, slate, and gneiss. So your main this mineral is your quartzite. Quartzite is used in the glass and ceramic industry. 33 answer is option. Question number 34. Which mineral is used in making limestone? So limestone, the main mineral of the limestone is your calcite. The 34th answer will be option A. Question number 35. Match the following. Actually, these are your sedimentary rock, and after applying the heat and pressure, they convert into the metamorphic rock. Okay. So your limestone is converted to the marble. Okay. Sandstone becomes quartzite. Shale becomes your slate, and granite becomes gneiss. It is in the option number C. The 35th answer is option C. Question number 36. Dash obtained from petroleum and used to make candle and polish. So for candle is made by the paraffin wax. Okay, so this is your option B. 36th answer is option B. Question number 37. Dash is also known as black gold. So petroleum is known as your black gold. 37 answer is option C. Question number 38. Dash rocks are formed by deposition of rock particles that are brought by wind and water. So from the magma, it becomes lava to igneous rock. And due to the weathering and erosion of the igneous rock, the particles deposited over other and it forms a sedimentary rock. This is your option B. The 38th answer is option B. Question number 39. Which igneous rock is used by dentists for polishing of teeth? Actually, dentists use pumice. Okay, you can see dental amalgam and garlic resins. 39 answer is your B. Question number 40. Which rock consists of quartz, feldspar, and mica? So quartz, feldspar, and mica, these all three are present in the granite. It is in the option number C. 40 answer is option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.